Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to run a successfully Facebook ads campaign even if you are complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you all learn how to create a Facebook ads campaign, how to target the right audience, how to set your budget and how to launch your ad professionally. So let's get started. Step 1, open Facebook Ads Manager or open your Facebook account and click here and scroll down, click Ad Manager. Now click on the create button. Facebook will ask you to choose a campaign objective. You will see option like traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, sales. For this tutorial I will select engagement because it's great for getting like, comments, getting message and shares. Continue. Choose here manual engagement campaign and then continue. Step 3, name your campaign. Next, give your campaign a simple name, for example summer sale campaign or product promotion ad. Type here your ad name, ad set name, new engagement ad set, again your campaign name, conversation location. Now choose your conversation location, calls, website, app, message destination. I click now message destination and choose your Facebook page, pen icon and choose your Facebook page. Message destination, choose here message destination, click here and choose your messaging platform. Choose your ad budget. Now it's time to choose your budget. You can select daily budget or lifetime budget. For beginners I recommended starting with a small daily budget like $5 to $10. Click here, click show more settings. Step 5, choose your audience. This one of the most important parts. You can target people based on location, age, gender, interest, behavior. First of all, age. Click here and choose minimum age and highest age. Gender, you can choose all or you can choose men or woman, man, because my client product, man product, only man product, so I select right now man. Details, targeting, click pen icon and choose your targeting. If you are selling fashion product, you can target people interest in online shopping, clothing or fashion brand. So click here clothing, apparel interest, shopping, retail interest, fashion, fashion design interest, t-shirt, t-shirt, apparel interest, engage shopper, engage shopper behavior interest. Okay. Step 6, select ad placement. Scroll down. Facebook gives two options. Click pen icon. You can choose Facebook, Instagram. I just run ad Facebook platform, Facebook, and then you click next ad setup option. Last and final option, ad setup option. Click here, drop down menu and choose your this. You can use created, use existing post, use creative hub mockup. So I chose use existing post. Click here, allow ad preview, then click select post. Select post and continue. Click add. Look at the preview. Message option, send message and scroll down. You can add text option, call to action button. You can change call to action button uh, before. So last step 8, review and publish. You can click publish. Before publishing, double check everything, budget, audience, ad text, media files. If everything looks good, click the publish button. Step 9, monitor result after your ad is live. Monitor the performance inside ads manager, reach, click, engagement, cost per result. This helps you improve future campaign outro. And that's it. Now you know how to run a Facebook ads campaign step by step. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you want more Facebook ads tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.